Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, in last class we have conducted a quiz on trigonometry, and today I just told you I'll be conducting a quiz on what topic? Term to topic. I'll conduct a quiz on that. We'll discuss that. Then we'll go for the questions as we were solving the questions. The depth of the question, the level of the question which we have solved for trigonometry, was that good? Actually, it was it good or like
Yes, sir, it was good.
yeah? So same type of same level of question we'll be solving. So yeah, I'll be conducting a quiz first, then we will go for that. All right.
Now, sir,
Yeah. Which topic you want me to conduct a quiz on?
anyone,
Huh?
anything, sir.
Not term to syllabus.
Can we do quadratic equation?
Yeah, fine. First we'll go with quadratic equation. Just a minute. Let me conduct which question. Guys, I'll be conducting a quiz. So you have okay, 2 quizzes I'll be conducting. So first quiz I'm just going to give you for 22 questions. So everyone make sure that you are finishing that quiz within like 15 minutes. Okay? Everyone should finish that quiz within
Yes, sir.
15, maximum 18 minutes. Everyone join the quiz. I shared the link. Everyone join. Guys, make sure that you're not wasting time to join the quiz. And don't make me to repeat the same thing. And don't make me to repeat, make me the same thing again and again. Join. I can't say again and again. Please try understand and join immediately. Yes, try to finish within 15 minutes. You may start now. Come on. Done, right? Yes, I'm gonna wind it up now.
Sir, I'm still doing.
Okay, last 2 minutes. Make it fast. Last 2 minutes. Okay, I'm winding it up. I'm winding it up. Johan done? Yogesh, sorry, not Johan. Yogesh finished?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Okay. Oh, what happened? Guys, I can't see the result. Did you get the result? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Who was the first? I can't see the result. Please tell me your percentages accordingly. Hello? Shut up, how much you got?
Sir, I got 100%, and on my screen it says that I'm first.
Acha. See the Yogesh.
Sir, I got 54% and I am in 7th position.
Anudeep.
Sir, I got 80% and second rank.
Okay, shut up. First, Anudeep. Second, who's third? Tushar, what about you? What is your percentage, Anudeep? Anudeep,
Sir?
what is the percentage you got?
81.
81. Tushar, what about you?
70%.
Tanvi,
Sir, I did not get my result.
you didn't get the result. Udbhav. Udbhav.
Sir, 51%, sir. It's showing third.
51 third person. I mean third position.
Yes, sir.
Ashish.
Sir, 77%.
77. Then which position you got?
Sir, 4th.
Oh, then I didn't understand. The guy who got 56%, he is in third. The guy who got 77, how come he goes for fourth position?
maybe for the time limits.
Yeah, that is a factor actually. Time, finishing
There are
time.
also the power-ups in the middle of the game.
Yeah, power up. Guys, don't turn on the power ups. That if you turn up your power ups, you
There,
get
you
like
have the
additional.
option before the quiz starts to turn off the power-ups or re-attempting questions.
Do I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, in
Yes,
the
sir, you have
settings.
the
I didn't find anything something like that. Okay, I'll conduct one more here. So I'll share the screen. You just let me know where should I turn up that. I'm not aware of that actually. Yeah, today itself, I got to know that we have to turn up the power up so that you won't get additional points. So because of those additional points, you are getting even you are getting less number of questions correct, but you are getting huge points and your percentage
Sir,
becoming
then
so high.
in this
Hmm.
test, we were able to access those power-ups.
In this test, you were able to what? I didn't get you.
We were able to access those power-ups.
Acha, you were able to. Acha, you was in a position to access that.
Yes, sir. After few questions, they give us some
Fine.
power-up.
Fine. Yes, Amrita, what about you?
Sir, I got 86% in rank 3.
Amrita, 86% is rank 3. Okay, so I'm just considering top 3 actually. Shadab, Anudeep, and Amrita, these are top 3. I mean, top 3 percentages I'm talking about. The time which you have finished in, please, you have to improve that thing. And Udbhav, how many questions you got correct? Make it fast. I don't find the question paper also. I thought of discussing the question paper, but I don't find it. Okay, let's go for another quiz. Shall we?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Are
sir.
you- Guys, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes, I'm
sir.
ready.
Yes, sir.
Let me share the screen and just let me know where I can just turn off that thing, power off. Tell me, where can I? So, 1 second. I think we have conducted this quiz now. Oh, I don't find that. 22. Chalo, I'll just go for this quiz. Quadratic equations, 11th grade. Okay, chalo, I'm going for this quiz now. So, where can I go for that? Guys, can you see? Where should I turn up that?
So in settings,
Sorry.
So try scrolling down. Maybe more options would be there.
Yeah, we don't have options. We have just questions here. Nothing.
Sir, if you start a live quiz, I think before that there's some
Yeah.
type of option, right?
Acha, instructor paste. I mean, classic. I must choose classic.
So try
then-
instructor pace.
Control to paste everyone advances through each question together.
No,
Okay.
sir, then that wouldn't, that would make it so that you have to wait so that everyone finishes that certain question.
Yes, sir.
So everyone would finish at the
Yeah, we
same
have to
time.
wait. Yeah, you have to wait till everyone finishes that question. So no, it's not possible. No,
Okay.
I'll not connect like that. So we'll go for this classic only. Okay. I'm not getting option actually. Yes, I was trying this, but I'm not getting that option to turn off.
So now settings, general settings.
Where is that?
There are advanced settings.
Yeah, it shows that
Yes, sir,
power
there.
ups.
Yes, sir.
Power ups. Yes. Okay. Shuffle the questions. Yes. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing the screen here. I'm sharing the link to you all. Everyone join me at a time. Chalo. Join me. Come on. Make it fast. Who has to join still? Only
Me,
7 of.
sir.
Yes, Tanvi, what's the problem?
I'm not able to join, sir.
Sorry?
I'm not able to join, sir.
Yeah, I think you joined now.
But my screen is still.
Shall I
Stop.
start?
Sir, I'm
My screen is still stuck, so
Acha. I think you don't have proper signals, I think. Shall we go for? What happened, Tanvi?
I'm not able to join, sir.
Can you refresh the page once?
Yes, sir, I tried that. Yes, sir, I got it.
Chalo, I'm starting the quiz. Make it fast. 10 minutes of time. Finish it off. Come on, quick. Yes, Anujip, you have done. What about others?
Sir, last question.
Please carry on. Well done. I'm winding up that.
Yes, sir, no.
Yes. Oh, it's already someone ended that quiz. Who's that?
Sir, I think when everyone is done, it automatically ends.
Okay. Acha. Fine. Chalo. So 1 second. Yeah. Got it. So let me discuss that. Okay, Shada first, Amrita second, 86, Anujip 86, Siraj 73, Tanvi 73. Okay, great. Guys, what is the roots of the quadratic equation? What type of roots are they? They are not real. How do you decide that? By using finding discriminant. Very simple. Clear?
Sorry, sharing the screen.
Oh, I'm not sharing the screen. Just a minute. Guys, let us finish it up that first. So how can I decide this? By using discriminant. How many have you done? Most of the people have done this, correct? Someone has real and equal they have given. Please check it out. 1/2 is the root of the equation. This one. Then what is the value of k? Substitute karo usme, find out the value of k. Very simple. And someone has still given the wrong answer. Please check it out. A natural number when increased by 12 equals to this much, and this equals to 160 times its reciprocal. Find the number. Take that number as x. When it increases to x plus 12, which is equal to 160 times reciprocal of that number. 160 times of 1 by x. Find out the x value. Will you be, guys, how many have you done this? Very good. 6 members have done that, correct? And one player has given answer as 3, one player answer has given 7. Any doubts in this, guys? Please check it out your answer. If you have any doubts, we'll just discuss this. If you don't have any doubts, we'll go for what? Shall we?
No doubt, sir.
Very simple. Next, product of two successive multiples of 5 is 300. Successive is nothing but what?
One after another.
One after, consecutive, we could say that. Multiples of 5 is 300. So
Sir?
then the number, yes.
We need not solve this also. Only that pair is
Yeah.
we multiply it.
Yeah. Multiples of 5, right? Only that pair is what?
When we multiply, only that pair comes 300 as the answer. Because the product of the numbers is 300.
Yes, exactly. Absolutely. You can do that as a common sense. So if you do first pair, how much you get? Like 750 you will get. Isn't it? So next 150 you get, next 1050 you will get, the D option you get 300. So D option is correct here. Very simple. The product of two successive multiples of 5. These are two successive multiples and product is 300. Only D option is correct. Common sense. Thoda dimag lagane se answer, you can tell me the answer quickly. Any doubt? Everyone have done this correctly. Very good. Congratulations to everyone. Oh, this is a big question. Quadratic equation for the given situation. A train travels at a certain average speed distance of 63 and guys, how many of you done this question correctly? How many of you done this question correctly? Those who have done, what was your approach? Look at this. A train travels at a certain average speed for a distance 63 km and then travels a distance of 72 km at an average speed of this much, more than its original speed. If it taken 3 hours to complete the total journey, what is the original average speed? One second, I have to copy this question. Yes. Tell me, how many have you done this question? How many have you done this question correctly? Tell me. Hello? How many have you tried at least?
Sir, I tried.
Okay. How did you try?
I took the speed, original speed as x, and then the speed after that would be x plus 6. Then the total distance would be 63 plus 72, which is 135. And the total time would be 3 hours. And I tried calculating that way.
Yes. What about others?
So they gave the total time
Hmm.
and the total distance. We can
Hmm.
add that. So we'll get the
Yeah.
total speed, average speed. And the average speed for 72 kilometer is 6. So we can move on like that.
Yes, very simple actually. Look, it's very good question too. Wonderful question to solve. So solution: train travels at a certain speed, certain average speed for a distance of this much, then travels a distance of this much at an speed of this much more than its original speed. Okay, original speed I don't know, more than original speed. So let original speed क्या ले लेंगे? Let original speed of the train is equal to x kilometer per hour. ठीक है? What is the time? Time is equal to what? Distance by time. Distance by speed. एक मिनट लेट मी राइट, मुझे टाइम फाइंड आउट करेंगे इधर. Distance by speed. Okay. What is the total? How much total time given? 3 hours he has given to complete total journey. ठीक है? तो total time how much given? Total time 3 hours given. Clear? Total time has been given 3 hours. So now look at it here. So first journey, how much distance? देखो first journey how much बेटा? First journey 63 upon speed. How much speed? I don't know original speed is. I took it as x plus 72 upon it took 6 hours more than, which means x plus 6. How many have you done this equation? How many have wrote this equation? Which took how much time? कितना लिया? 3 hours. तो इसको calculate करो, find out x value. Isn't it easy thing, guys? So what is LCM here? 63 into x plus 6 plus x into 72x divided by, people, yes or no? Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So 63x plus 63 into 6, 618, huh? Yeah, not 618, sorry. 378 plus 72x is equal to 3 in x into x square plus 6x. So 3x square plus 6x. So 63 plus 72 how much? 135. X plus 378. थोड़ा calculation है. 3x square plus how much you get? 18x. So look at it, find it out now. 3x square plus 18x minus 135x minus 378 is equal to 0. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now after this इसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Calculate करो, factorize it, you will get the answer. So 135 minus 18 how much? 100 and minus 119. 117. 117x 378. So can I take 3 common here? Yes, of course I can take. So x square If I take 3 common, so 3 3 is 9, 3 9 27x 3 12. हाँ सही है ना. हाँ, now look at this here. Factorize it. How can I factorize it?
Sir,
That-
for this question, it's only making the equation.
Making the
Equation.
equation.
This
Acha,
option is
need not to
there in
find out.
the question.
Acha, is this available in the option?
Yes, sir, I think.
Yeah, हाँ देखो, just making the equation, need not to find out. Then oh एक मिनट क्या हो रहा है. हाँ, this option x square minus 39x, what, that's what I got here. ठीक है. Yes. How many have you got this question? How many have you got this question correctly? How many have you got this question correctly? Tell me, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
चलो. Yeah. Guys, next question. Same thing you have to do this. Same thing, same method you have to do, guys. You might have done this. Everyone has done. Only 2, 3, 5. Guys, try this question at home. Try this question. Try this at home actually. Okay. Next.
Sir, it's the same question as before, but now you have to factorize it.
Yeah, we have to factorize it. That's what I'm telling you. Same numbers, everything as given. Try this question at home. Okay, just we have to factorize that. Factorize करने से मुझे क्या मिलेगा? X values मिलेगा. तो X values find out करना है, ठीक है? The sum of two numbers is 27. Product is ये तो बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं हम लोग. We have been doing this from childhood. Two numbers, sum of two numbers is 27. Product कितना है? 182 है. तो numbers क्या हो जाएंगे? How did you do this, guys?
Sir, I took x plus y is equal to 27,
Great.
then x is equal
Yes,
to
yes,
27
yes, yes,
minus
yes.
5.
Squaring on both sides ऐसा करेंगे तो आ जाएगा, ठीक है? हाँ ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, people? Hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, x plus y is equal to 27. तो squaring on both side करो, x y substitute करो, आपको मिल जाएगा आंसर. हाँ, the altitude of right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, then other two sides of the triangle क्या हो जाएगा? Altitude का मतलब height होता है इधर. हाँ, बताओ मुझे. How many have you done this question correctly? Guys, very good standard paper है ना? थोड़ा देखना, क्वेश्चन अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ना? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Questions are very good actually. This type of questions only you must solve. बताइए. How many have you done this question?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Very good. What about others?
Yes, sir. Even I got it correct.
Yeah. So do you want me to teach this question?
Yes, sir. Once can I dividing it?
Definitely, definitely. देखो. Oh, something. Okay, I'm not able to copy this. Yeah. So altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter. Altitude का मतलब क्या होता है? Height होता है. Base, then its base. Hypotenuse 7 centimeter. Less. I don't know base. What is base? Shall I take base as x centimeter? Then what is altitude? Altitude क्या हो जाएगा बताओ?
X plus 7.
X plus 7 की x minus 7. Less है ना?
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, so look at this. X minus 7. Guys, am I recording?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
ये हो जाएगा. So base x हो जाएगा, altitude x minus 7 हो जाएगा. ये 13 दिया है. Ashish, getting my point here. 13 he has given, hypotenuse has given 13. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem say, from Pythagoras theorem, can I write this as 13 square is equal to x square plus x square of this, x square plus 49 minus 14x. तो इसको फाइंड आउट करो. 169 minus 49 is equal to 2x square minus 14x. तो 2x square minus 14x, how much you get? minus 20 is equal to 0. फैक्टराइज करने से मुझे मिल जाएगा, देखो 2x square, let me take x square common, 2 common, so 7x minus 10. तो how much you get? 5 2s. Ashish, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X minus 5 to x minus 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I think no, kaha mistake, any mistake we made?
-2 into x minus 5 here also, it's actually -10.
Oh, by good guys, I took here 120 आना चाहिए. I just wrote 20. Hello, people, are you getting my point here? इधर क्या आना चाहिए? You need to write 120. देखो थोड़ा, तो कहाँ गलती कर दिया? देखो 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. 60 बनाने के लिए मुझे क्या बनाना चाहिए? 12 minus 5. ये तो मिल जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
x minus 12, 5 into x minus 12. तो x is equal to 12, x is equal to 5. ठीक है, x is equal to -5. अच्छा, अरे यार इधर देखो +5, तो +5 नथिंग बट 5 इफ आई टेक्स. हाँ, इधर साइड कांट बी नेगेटिव, तो
Sir, it was correct.
12 and -5 I got, isn't it? Hello, side of the, look at yes, side base can't be negative, right? So I'll be neglecting this, I'll be deleting that. So what is height now? Height or altitude क्या होता है? 12 minus 7, how much you get? 5 centimeter. So मेरा height 5 हो गया, altitude I mean hypotenuse कितना हो जाएगा? 13, and base is what? 12. This is my altitude, I would say, and base is equal to 7 centimeter, and hypotenuse already has given. That's what the question is all about. Clear? Hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
सीधा सा and easy सा question. Next, every quadratic polynomial can have at most कितना? 2 zeros. At most, maximum how many zeros? He's talking about zeros is nothing but how many solutions a quadratic equation can have. Maximum 2, not more than that, isn't it? Since the degree of the quadratic polynomial quadratic equation is 2, so it can't have more than 2 roots. Hope it is clear, isn't it, boys, girls? Simple. Next, is it a quadratic equation? Is it a quadratic equation? No. Both side x square कहाँ cancel हो जा रहा है? देखो, both sides I can cancel x square. Then from where I would get x square here? No, it is not possible. So false हो जाएगा statement. सही है ना? Hello people. Very
Yes.
simple.
Yes.
So this is guys factorize है, solve करने से, वो बच्चा वाला question है. Guys, still you are making a mistake here. Please try to solve this. Okay, so the roots of the quadratic equation क्या होता है? Direct formula भाई. डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला होता है -b + r - square root of b square - 4ac + r - तो ऑप्शन ए एंड बी हैव गिवन, सो बोथ ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट हियर. क्लियर? He should have given plus or minus in one option, but oh,
Sir, isn't D correct?
b square - 2a. Acha, then -b + r - D should be correct actually.
No, sir, there's no square.
Hello,
B square minus 4ac.
I didn't get
Sir,
you.
it should be b
Sir,
square.
it should be b
in the
square minus
solution.
4ac.
हाँ,
So
b
the
square, या b square मिस हो रहा है, b square मिस हो रहा है, b square मिस हो रहा है, देखो डी ऑप्शन में. देन ऑप्शन b square - 4, देखो गाइस एवरीथिंग इज सेम हियर. देखो दिखने में थोड़ा पागल बन जाओगे आप, तो थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिए, इधर ध्यान से देखिए, ऑप्शंस को चेक कर लीजिए. ऑप्शन एक बार -b + r - तो ऑप्शन ए एंड बी सही है, करेक्ट ओनली. देखो द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैज रियल एंड इक्वल रूट्स इफ क्या होता है उसका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट 0 होने से. इफ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0 देन ओनली इट कैन हैव रियल एंड इक्वल रूट्स. होप इट इज क्लियर. For what value of k quadratic equation has equal roots? For what value of k? Guys, how can I do this? Equal roots. Equal root is nothing but what? Hello. Equal root is nothing but what? Discriminant. Hello. Are you here? People, are you here or not?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्या guys, how can I find out the value of k here? Discriminant क्या होना चाहिए?
0.
0, तो बन जाएगा आंसर. नेक्स्ट द रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, वेरी सिंपल, ये तो बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं हम लोग. All right, yes guys, this is what the question is all about and question paper is all about. And tomorrow also I'll be conducting again quiz on quadratic equation. After conducting the quiz, I'll be taking a 10 questions quiz actually next class. After solving those 10 questions, I'll be giving you the questions as like as the trigonometric questions. You know, itna depth wala question hota hai na, that type of questions I'll be giving you. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Thank you beta. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye.